Hi everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for our older students that joined our Term 2 classes. We focused on printmaking and we had an array of fantastic prints that were created this term. Students were able to choose whatever animal they wanted to with learning to design and create an animal in its environment. So we had a variety of sea lions, harp seals, jellyfish, a lot of sea creatures actually when it comes to think about it, otters, and with those prints they created a series of prints that they also were able to hand tint before taking a print home, one of those home which is framed. So it was a great term and I really hope that they are able to look at this as a wonderful experience with learning about animals in the environment and also the process of printmaking.
Wow.
Wow. It's not that.
Wow.